everyone, Teresa Platt here at Guarantee RV. Welcome to our new video on the 2020 24P Winnebago Outlook. These are gorgeous. This particular one, I'll show you the inside first, has a full wall slide. So take a note on how spacious that makes this unit look on the inside. Come on in. All right, take a look at this space. You could almost square dance on this floor. You do have a great four-person dinette. This slide gives you so much floor space. But even if you are somewhere and you're trapped and can't get your slide out because somebody's parked too close to you, you still have plenty of access to everything that you need and a sleeping area overhead that's about a double-sized bed. This is a wonderful unit with lots of storage space, cabinetry and drawers. You have a convection microwave oven and a 3-burner propane stove. Double sink. Lots of space on this galley kitchen. Overhead, you'll notice that is a very good sized bed and just a lot of living space. You won't be running into anybody or bumping your shoulders into anything. More pantry space. Very nice sized Danby refrigerator. Closets that can be turned into hanging or shelf closets. A great bathroom with plenty of headroom for someone over 6 feet. Fantastic fans. And a clever door that will, again, like I say, give you access. If you can't get the slides open, you can still get in here and make all the use of this that you can without the slide open. A great queen size bed. Very comfortable mattress. When this slide comes in, the bed does fold up and comes in towards the wall over this platform. Beautiful interior design, giving you lots of decorating room. You can put whatever color you want in here. They kind of left that up to the customer. Come on outside and I'll show you the storage areas. Out here, you've got access right here on this side for your propane to hook up your cook stove, camping stove, whatever you have. This door gives you access to a tall space where you can put chairs or your table, what you need for your camping goods. As you'll see in the back, you do have a ladder giving you access to the roof. Check your seals and your fans and see how they're doing. The backup camera. And another storage door with some more space to keep your supplies, whatever you need for your camping trip. Coming around here, you'll notice the steps on both sides, easy access for the driver and passenger. Just a gorgeous unit. Come on in and test drive one. Give me a call. You can reach me at the information below and I'll be happy to make an appointment so we can take this out and see how it feels. Talk to you soon. Thank you.